Okay, so let us continue with our session two. And in this particular session, we'll further see what all ways that through which we can go into Python, which all functions we can basically try to use in. That is what we trying to see in. Okay, so the very first thing that we will be seeing here, let us try to solve the very first question, that what percentage of people with advanced education, that is bachelor's, master's, and doctorate combined, make more than 50K. So this is what we have to look into. So what we will do, we will combine bachelor's, master's, and doctorate together, and we will call them as advanced education. And what we will do is we will try to find the percentage here. So first we will combine them. So how do we combine them? We will make a variable, that is advanced education. We will make a variable called advanced education, and then we will combine the values of uh, bachelor's, हम उस वैल्यू को कंबाइन करेंगे क्योंकि हमें एडवांस एजुकेशन के परसेंटेज निकालना है. सो वी से दैट एडवांस एजुकेशन जो हमारा है, इट इज बैचलर्स, मास्टर्स एंड डॉक्टरेट. We will combine that data. Now what we will do here, let us run this, let us check. So it is working right. Let us combine this, check it here. So we have combined it. Now what is needed for us to see is that we are supposed to calculate the percentage. So percentage के लिए people with advanced education making above 50K, वो लोग जो 50K से ऊपर बना रहे हैं, 50,000 से ऊपर बना रहे हैं, divided by the total number of people in advanced education. Advanced education में मुझे वो लोग चाहिए who are making more than 50K divided by people in the advanced education. So how will I get? I will make another variable stating advanced, stating just a minute, people with solution. I will making a variable here, and you can take this variable. You can go into education. And go into education, and in this particular education, this particular education, what we will do is we will use easing function, easing function to note advanced education. Yeah, we know advanced education. So we are interested in education, right? We are interested in education. Further, we are interested in advanced education. And we need to know how many people are there. We want to run this. And there is an error which is being shown in there. Let's try to solve this error. Is the D is, I think it is added extra. We can run this now. So it is done. And after running this, let me take this command, paste it here, this will, and I'm getting people with advanced education. If you see education column, it is only master's, doctorate, and bachelor's, master's, doctorate, and bachelor's. Now, what I am very much interested in, I want to know how many people are above 50. So again, I am making a variable. Again, I am making a variable advanced education above 50K. And in this advanced education 50K, I'm going ahead with uh, I'm going ahead with this particular variable. So people with advanced education. Further, further in this, I am trying to look into advanced education, people with advanced education, and in this further I'm looking into salary, salary which should be equal to greater than 50K, right? And then can take this here. That's it. And you can, this is the data which we are trying to get in here. Okay. Advance uh, the data that is there for my salary, which is about 50K. Now, what we will do, what we will do here is we will try to calculate the percentage advanced education of EQ. Right? We will try and remove the count so that we can remove by length function. Length of advanced education above 50K divided by length of people with advanced education. And then we will try to see the percentage. Percentage is coming zero. Have we made any error? Just trying to check. I think yes, we have made error with the problem in here. That is, once education is there over then and check the same thing. Talk about salary. So, same thing is greater than equal to 50 here. Why is this not number? So let us run this line of code again. And when we are running it, we are getting the value. Let us see the percentage, and we are getting the percentage input. Now, after calculating the percentage, can we print this thing? So we had print for printing, we had used a print function earlier. Have we used a print function here? So you will take this particular function, copy it, paste it here, and we will just change the content that we want to consider. Print the percentage of people uh, with advanced education made more than 50K is uh, we will what we will do here is percentage uh, advanced education above school. It is what we have to write in. Let us run this, and this we have we will get the percentage here. Further, if we want to filter people without advanced education, what we will do, we will write a variable people without advanced education, we write equal to, and we write df, just the initial data frame df, uh, we will write negation here because the opposite of the value is what we needed. We will write df equal to education, and then write isn't the code almost similar to what had written, what so it will be written and put it to running this. Just running this, and once you run this line of code, then basically you try to run this command, you will get some rows, right? You know what are the row value. You know what are the row value. Now, if you know the row value, how do you calculate the percentage? Very simple. Percentage, percentage without advanced. तो हमें जो परसेंटेज निकालना है, हमें एक न्यूमरेटर एक डिनोमिनेटर चाहिए रहेगा। तो न्यूमरेटर में हमारे पास लेंथ है। लेंथ किसका लेंथ? लेंथ ऑफ विदाउट length of function which was without without advanced education का लेंथ। तो without ये लेंथ हम लेंगे, राइट, इक्वल विदाउट एजुकेशन का लेंथ, राइट, इसका लेंथ वांट, then we want whose length? We want length of people with advanced education का length equal with and without. So here is people with advanced education का length. We know how to calculate percentage, right? We know calculate percentage into 100 and run this line of code. Then take this value, paste it here, and this will get the percentage. Have we got some different percentage? 334. I think without में है, there is 25070 row. With में कितना है? People with advanced education is 797491. Advanced education that we can, okay. I think uh, we didn't write one more line of code. So what we will do, uh, we go here, write a plus sign, just a minute. We cut this, go here, write a plus sign. We missed out on a particular factor, which is we wanted to have basically above 50K. So without without advanced education and above 50K. That is what wanted, and this these are who? These are people without advanced education, right? These are people without advanced education, and then again there are people without advanced education, wherein we are trying to know salary of these people who are making more than 50K, right? Who are making more than 50K. That's it. And if we run this, it's getting executed. Let me write a plus sign there. We can run this line of code. This should be without. It's just telling here that this is without, although the error won't make much difference. If you're getting an error without, so it is defined. Let me run this again. Run, okay. Now we have run that, and now we will calculate percentage without advanced education with the length of people, uh, basically without advanced education above 50K. You are basically interested in those 50K people, and it is divided by people without people without advanced education. Many people are there without advanced education. That is what we will have it here. So one single error can cost you or time, huge amount of time in Python. One single error, so huge, that is the percentage, huge amount of time in the Python, and that is what we will run. Now, if I want to print it, if I want to print the value, I have done it before. I will copy this, paste it here, and then I will try to change it uh, with the uh, content that I want. People without advanced education to make more than the K is what I will write. I want this percentage to be shown based like that, like that. Then I will run this command and my answer is there. Okay, so this is where we stop here. We'll continue the remaining in the next session. Thank you.